Hey everyone, today we're talking about AI and its impact on graphic design. Is AI a friend or foe? Let's find out. Moving on to job displacement. AI can automate many design tasks, but what does this mean for designers? Will we lose our jobs? AI is great at repetition, but human designers bring creativity. Moving on to homogenization of design. AI can make design look the same. Where's the originality? AI makes design less original. Moving on to ethical concerns. Who owns AI-generated content? We need clear guidelines. Moving on to opportunities and adaptation. AI isn't replacing us, it's helping. Learn AI-driven design to stay ahead. AI frees me to focus on creativity. Moving on to conclusion. AI poses challenges and opportunities. Adapt, evolve, and focus on what makes you unique. Learn AI-driven design skills. Subscribe in Citium Global for more informative videos